Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Okay, the question says that consider the set of molecules below. We are having these molecules, if you can look very closely. We are having this molecule here, and we are having another molecule here. Yes, interlinked by some kind of forces. Then the question says that identify which forces, X or W, are intermolecular forces and name them. Okay, you have to know that intermolecular forces are existing between molecules as the word sounds. So if this is one molecule and this is another molecule, therefore the link between the two is what we call intermolecular forces. So in this case, the answer is X. And what is the name? Okay, this force or this intermolecular force is between hydrogen and another very electronegative atom. So in other words, it is between very polar molecules. And what intermolecular forces exist between very polar molecules? The answer is hydrogen bond. Okay. And so comes this question. It says, identify which forces, X or W, are interatomic forces or intramolecular forces, and name the type. So there we are. So what are interatomic? Interatomic implies between atoms. Okay, those forces are W, represented by W. And what is the name of that interatomic or intramolecular forces? The name is covalent bond. We have to know that covalent bond exists between two atoms which almost have the same polarity. It is caused by sharing of electrons. So what we are seeing here is a bond between carbon and carbon. So carbon and carbon have the same electronegativity. So the bond is covalent. Then this question comes. It says that explain the relationship between intermolecular forces and molecular size. Illustrate your answer with an example. Okay, how do you go about this? First of all, you need to know that the bigger the molecular size, the stronger are the intermolecular forces. Okay, so that is that. So the example we can give here is, suppose you have two molecules here. We can have A, which is an ethane, and you can have B, which Yeah, let's make it this one, which is a propane. Now, it is very clear that the molecular size of B is bigger than that of A. And from the statement we have just put, what does that mean? That the intermolecular forces between B molecules are stronger than intermolecular forces between A molecules. So what does that mean? That means that, so that is that intermolecular forces between B molecules are stronger than intermolecular forces between A molecules. The question is, why? The answer lies in the surface area. B happens to have a bigger surface area than A, so it will have a bigger number of intermolecular forces compared to A. So that is that. B has a bigger surface area compared to A, so has a bigger number of intermolecular forces compared to A. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, to comment, to like. We are simply the best. Bye-bye.